Some say the low performance of a machine is because the machine is just too old. After 5 or 10 years you can expect these kind of failures, they say. It frequently unplanned stops or breakdown are normal part of the job. And if only management would invest in new equipment, all will be well and the problems will be over. And they really think they can convince me of those kind of excuses regarding lack of preventive maintenance, lack of ownership and lack of involvement, and that it is okay. Sure, if I would not take care of this fairly new machine, it will deteriorate fast and will be useless for me. On the other hand, if I take this machine, which is almost 100 years old, but it's still running well, it starts immediately. This is because the owner really takes care of it. He knows exactly which part needs to be adjusted to run well and knows those kind of things by heart. He also knows how to repair, when to repair and exchange a part, preventing it from breaking down or stopping it. He does his own maintenance on this machine or any other car in his collection. Talking about full ownership, taking responsibility and real involvement. At Dutch Operational Excellence Consulting, we will guide your teams through this change and train them on how to successfully implement the total productive maintenance methodologies like preventive maintenance, autonomous teams, and therefore increasing ownership, involvement, knowledge, skills, and of course performance. Contact us via our website regarding our unique TPM implementation approach and how we can help you together to improve your business.